Third grade, today in science, we are going to talk a little bit about germs, and then we're going to take our Tuesday worksheet. First thing you'll see is avoiding germs. Lynn is sneezing. Shauna is coughing. Aiden has a runny nose and teary eyes. Several of their classmates are home sick with the flu. What are causing these illnesses? Germs. Germs are very small living things or particles. Examples include bacteria and viruses. Many germs can make people ill. The pictures show germs that can cause disease. A disease is a condition in which the body or part of the body does not work properly. You may have had one or more diseases such as the flu, chickenpox, or strep throat. Obviously, the coronavirus that we're dealing with right now falls into this category, right? It's a germ that's infecting people and not allowing their bodies to function properly. There are many other diseases that you have probably not had. These include measles, mumps, and whooping cough. Years ago, many people caught these illnesses. They were very dangerous. Today, children are protected from these diseases. They get this protection before they start school. Okay, that's through a shot that gives them an immunization. All right, so that's what people are currently working on. Doctors and scientists are currently working on for the coronavirus so that they can come up with a vaccination that then people won't get the coronavirus as much anymore. Most illnesses that people get are not dangerous. Still, no one likes to be sick. Everyone can help stop the spread of germs. Germs are so small you'd have to use a microscope to see that. This would be a picture of viruses that cause the flu. So if you look at really close with a microscope, this is what you would see. These are the germs that cause whooping cough. Now that's one of those things that people get vaccinated for and you don't have. People don't really get anymore. But see how they look different? Like every disease is kind of characterized by the germs, and all the germs look different. These are the germs that cause strep throat. Maybe you've had strep throat before and had to stay home from school or had to go to the doctor and get some medicine for it to make it stop. Stopping the spread of germs. Here, people can stop the spread of germs by remembering some simple rules. 1. Stay home from school and work when you are ill. 2. Wash your hands often, especially after using the restroom and before and after working with food. 3. Cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze or cough. Wash your hands if you sneeze or cough into them. And then clean and cover cuts and scrapes. Wash your hands often with soap and water so that you don't spread germs. Right? One of those things that could be added to this right now with coronavirus is wearing a mask. Right? That's something that a lot of people are doing, that we're doing to help stop the spread of germs. So here, what are germs? Germs are small particles. Okay, they're very small particles. What are examples of a disease? You could put flu, you could put coronavirus, you could put measles. And then how can we stop germs from spreading? We can wash our hands, we can wear a mask, and we can stay home when sick, when you don't feel well, so that you don't spread those germs to other people. All right, go ahead and take out your Tuesday worksheet. We'll go ahead and take our lesson 6 worksheet here. Make sure you get your name at the top. Reviewing terms matching. Match each description with the correct word or phrase. Write the letter on the line next to each description. So, a very small living thing or particles that can cause disease. Would that be germs or diseases? Well, if it causes disease, it can't be diseases, so we'd use germs. And then 2, a disease is a condition in which parts of the body do not work properly. At the bottom, we got to pick the right word to complete the sentence. Sports and yard work are good ways to get exercise or rest. That'll go right there. 4, lungs are part of the blank system. Lungs are part of the respiratory. So respiratory would go right there. 5, the heart is part of the what? Circulatory, digestive, or circulatory system? Look at your notes from yesterday. The heart is part of the windpipe is a tube that leads into the lungs, right? Our esophagus goes down into our stomach. The windpipe goes into the lungs. Flu and chickenpox are caused by germs or caused by exercise. And then number 8, exercise and rest can help people stay sick or help people stay healthy. Then at the bottom, for 1 week, Tara's family recorded the number of hours and minutes they exercised. By the end of the week, Tara had exercised for 2 hours and 25 minutes. Show the amount of time that Tara exercised in minutes. Remember, 60 minutes are equal to 1 hour. So we need to do 2 hours and 25 minutes. 2 hours, well, 1 hour is 60 minutes. Second hour would also be 60 minutes. And then the third hour would be 25 minutes. So go ahead and add those together to get your answer. Don't forget your label of minutes. Add those together to get your answer. All right. Excellent. When you're done, make sure this makes it back in your Tuesday folder.